Hi guys, it's Raven Shay, and today I have this 3-piece motion sensor light socket. So this is the light socket. Okay, so what I'm supposed to do is put the light bulb in here and put this one into the socket, and it's supposed to be a motion sensor. So let me go ahead and hook this in and see what we got. Okay, let's see. Oh, okay. We got some action. We got a little action going. Okay, so it's working. So I only plugged in one bulb, guys. I only plugged in one bulb, and that's how it works. When you step away from it, it'll go off. And when you step close to it, that's when it goes on. So I'm gonna stand back over here. Let it go off. Maybe I'm too close. Now it's off. So when you get so close to it, it goes. It's motion censored. So I really like this. I'm gonna put the other ones in. So it's on. Step back. So y'all can see. Step back on. Then off. Then off. Okay. Guys, I really like the lamp holders, and I give these a 10 out of 10.